But what do we mean when we say open standards? Well, open standards means that it's been developed by a standards body, or maybe it's been developed by a corporation and then accepted by a standards body. So OSI is a open standards body. A lot of us are used to TCP/IP, HTML, XML, the IEEE standards, as in 802.11a. These are all open standards, which mean that they're actually documented, they're available for everybody to view, to follow, so we can have intercommunication. But within security, we also have open standards that should be followed when we're building maybe an application, we're building a perimeter, we're building an enterprise security architecture overall. And some of those standards are the 7799, which we're going to talk a little bit more about. There's a lot of NIST standards that talk about how to do things correctly. We'll go into risk management, but there's specific standards and ways to do that. And the reason that they're out there is, how do you know how to build a security enterprise? How do you know how to develop an application securely? That's what the standards are for. They're best practices, and they should be followed when you're actually building or correcting something. Companies, you shouldn't be just winging it. I've worked in environments where they come up with their own cryptography algorithms. Horrible, worst thing to do. They develop their own protocols. Terrible thing to do. The reason it's bad is because they haven't been used over and over and over again by different organizations, and the flaws haven't been worked out yet.